So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to use this common fixing method. Just try to tap on your power button for some while. Then after that, tap on restart. After tapping on restart, just tap on OK to get your device restart or reboot. So after getting your device restart and reboot, maybe this problem is going to get fixed. When it's still not getting fixed, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and search for ADP mobile app. Now tap on it for some while, tap on app info. Then after that, what you have to do when you get over here is to tap on notifications. Now tap on show notifications and make sure it's turned on. Go back and tap on permissions. Then after that, make sure every permission is allowed over here and not denied. Go back and tap on storage and cache. Then tap on a clear cache. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction on other device. Now tap on background data and make sure it's turned on like this. Now go back and tap on force stop. After tapping on force stop, tap on OK when this appears. After that, go to your phone Google Play Store, and after that search for ADP mobile solution on Google Play Store. So when you search for it, you're going to get it, and what you have to do is to tap on this, which is update. So when you tap on update, you're going to get the latest update of this app on your phone. So after getting the latest version of this app, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some more, tap on restart, then you tap on OK, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platform. See you in my next video.